Hey, welcome to my channel on this really dull overcast day. Now I'm going to show you a really good use if you have a drone like the DJI Mini 2. This is a drone I use around my neighborhood because it's under 250 grams. And in Canada, if you have a drone under 250 grams, you can fly it around your neighborhood, no problem. Now the reason I'm going to take the little Mini up around my house is because I want to inspect some work that were done by students, university students. So over the winter time with COVID, all the restaurants and stores and everything else was closed, so all these students could not make extra money. So a lot of them are looking for extra cash now that, they can start to talk to people. COVID restrictions are being lifted and people are hiring. So students are actually doing work like cleaning the gutters. They clean my gutters. Here's some images of them cleaning my gutters. You notice they have no safety harnesses on, but they did tell me they do have insurance. If they fall off the roof, it's not my responsibility, it's theirs. And they showed me the insurance, so that's a good thing. And a lot of these students are really enterprising. So they clean my gutters, they cleaned underneath the gutters, they can clean your windows if you want, and while they're doing the gutters, they do offer a service of installing a product. Now the product is something that's made out of aluminum that they bought at Costco. I could go buy it and install it myself, and it fits over your gutters so that leaves no longer fall into your gutters. But they can do it for the price of purchasing the stuff at Costco and then installing it themselves. So a few extra $100 and for labor, and it's all done, and something I don't have to do, climbing up on a roof, because I would probably fall off. So everything was finished yesterday, and I was a little leery because they came knocking at my door about 10 minutes after getting started, and they said, "Do you have something to cut aluminum?" I'm serious, they asked that. So I had to loan them my tin snips because they're like, we want to make it fit nice. I'm like, oh my God, what have I done here? So anyways, they're all done. They did say that there's a bit of a gap because they didn't buy enough material, so they're going to have to go buy some more. But I want to see what kind of job they did before they come back. So I'm going to take my little drone, go check out, make sure what they've done looks something like I would have done. It doesn't look like half-assed. It doesn't look like I would have had like a bunch of kids do it. And see what it looks like so that when they come back to install the remainder, I can say, good job, or guys, you're gonna have to go fix this. So benefits of having a drone. So here we go. Let's go check it out together. All right, so there's my house there. There's a tree there. There's another tree here. The leaves are all over it. There's a house. There's another tree. So as you can see, when you fly a drone, you need clear sky like up there. But yeah, don't really have it with all this. But this here DJI Mini 2 seems to get the satellites quite well. So let's cross our fingers and hope for the best. All right, Mini 2, do your stuff. All right, so on my screen it's showing 13 satellites, so that's a good thing. So let's take off. Take it up there. All right. Okay, so there's a portion that's missing the product. All right, so there's some problems they had in the corners, as you can see here. Let me go over it. So it looks okay when you look at that angle, but when I look at the other angle, it doesn't look as well. So let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna go this way. Looks like a gap right there. See how a piece is? Yeah. So if I had professional work done, it wouldn't look like that. But that's what you get when you have students working on your stuff. All right, so that's one area I'm gonna have to mention. Lovely dent there. That's probably from a ladder. Not a fan of how they have them connected. It's not very flush. That's okay. So the whole idea of this here material is just to keep the leaves out. You see how the leaves, they've already cleaned the gutter. So let's just go up here. Over my chimney. I've still got it on zoom. Here, take the zoom off because that looks like I'm too close. There we go. Let's go check out the other side. Okay, I'm going to put the zoom on down here. Here I can't get too close. I have to use the zoom because of the tree that's right there. It's pretty windy out here. There's a gap there. I don't know. I don't like that one. I don't know what that is. Not the greatest job. Not the greatest job. All right, so let's zoom out. I do have other sides of the roof. Over here. Zoom in. Missing a piece there. Yeah, missing a piece there. There we go. Turn this way for the side of the house. Looks okay here. That's okay, that's okay. Back to where we started, there. All right, oh, there I am down there. I am down here, let's zoom in on me. There I am. Hey guys. All right, let's go check. All right, let's go check the garage now. And the garage is out here. Okay, so the side of the garage looks good. I don't see any issues so far. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Side of the garage looks good, everything looks good this way. That looks good. They had no problems on the garage. They did it correctly. So whoever was doing that did a good job. Yeah, that looks good. Nice connection there. So there's the front. A bit of a bendy there. This is how it's supposed to be done. They sort of messed it up on the back. Yeah, that's all good, that's all good. It's all good. It's all good. And we'll go to the side of the house right here. And that's all good. All right. Whoa, getting too close to the house. There we go. I think I bonked it. Oh, now I'm in a tree. Let's get out of that. There's a tree I got stuck in. Let's go up. Righto. There we go. And look down. There's my roof. All right, let's take her to the back and land it. Going down, I can see the landing pad, and there we go. So there you have it. If you ever have work done on your roof, get a drone or own a drone so you can go inspect it after the fact like I did. So now when the students come back to install the remaining, I'm going to show them photos of every area that I said, you know, you're gonna have to go fix that. And after you fix it, I'm gonna check it again. So you know you're gonna get good work then. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments on my roof inspection and the students doing jobs for you, post them below. And hey, if you don't have a DJI Mini 2 or other drones, I'll put a link below to this DJI Mini 2. You can go check it out. All right guys, catch you in the next video. Bye.